You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, let's look at how to pronounce the name of this character and book name, novel name by French author. If you want to learn how to say the name of the author very well in French as well, I suggest you stay tuned. I've got a video for you for this. This one in French is said as Madame, 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 so not Madame, Madame Bovary, Bovary. That's how we say it in French. So in English, Madame Bovary, Madame Bovary, or in French, Madame Bovary. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.